Hello guys, my name Mara and I'm upgrading the shotgun. Literally, you have to disable it before you parent it. So I'm so dumb. I forgot. Too dumb. So dumb. Okay, get 3 bulk short. Place it here. Resize it. Here is parent. Then revolver. That is near perfection. Let's test it. Great. Can you see this right now? If it's blue, it's connected like this. Now let's, kravasix shotgun, kravasix. Kara. Now it is perfection. Now it is done. It's upgraded into 1. So goodbye. This is the end of the tutorial and I will see you guys. Don't forget, you can, subscribe right now.